Today I'm going to teach you the crossed triple stitch. I have worked that in this multicolored yarn, but today I'm going to show you in this purple so that you can see it a little bit clearer. This is a beautiful stitch. We will yarn over 2 times. We're going to skip our first stitch, go into our second stitch, and then we are going to complete the treble stitch. Then we will yarn over twice, go back into the stitch that we skipped, complete our treble stitch. Then we will yarn over twice, skip your first stitch, go into your second stitch, treble stitch, yarn over twice, go into the stitch that you skipped, complete your treble stitch. The stitch is very easy once you get used to it. It feels a little awkward at first, but once you get used to it, it works up quickly and it really doesn't use a whole lot of yarn. It is great for patterns that you need to have some drape to, but gives pretty design and texture. So you will skip this stitch and go into your second stitch. This stitch works for any multiples of 2 in a pattern. Yarn over 2 times, skip that first stitch, go into your second, yarn over twice, go back into the stitch that you skipped, yarn over twice. Now when you get to the end, you don't go into the chain 2, but you make sure that you go into this last stitch. And you can tell that it's a stitch because we have a V here and we have a V here. So we'll go right underneath that V, do our treble, yarn over 2 times, go back into the stitch that we skipped. Now since we're doing the treble, we will chain 3. We will turn our work. The chain does not count on this stitch, so this is your first stitch here. You can see it, it has a V on it. We are going to go into the second stitch here. So we will do just like we did before, yarn over 2 times, skip your first stitch, go into the second stitch, yarn over twice, go into that first stitch that you skipped, and you will just continue to skip the first stitch, go into the second stitch, and then yarn over twice and go back into the stitch that you skipped. And as you can see, it's a very beautiful stitch. It does leave for a lot of drape and stretch into your work. If you have enjoyed this video, I hope that you will give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Until next time, happy crocheting.